Hey everybody, Captain P here. Welcome. Everyone's always got to start doing something, whether it's the birds, the lawnmowers. Oh, maybe you heard me. Shut it off. Hey everybody, I'm Captain Pete. Welcome to YEA-FRAME. I'm here to help you build cozy cabins and houses that others will envy. Okay, I'm here making some stakes for the Formboards. So we've made them before for batter boards, but here we go. Saw do the work for you. Don't force it or the saw will bog down. Let's see here. Oh, before I have my wheelbarrow catching most of the dust over there too. That's why it was tilted there. Easier than going all over the ground, all the sawdust. There you go. That ain't bad. So there's a stake. All right. Got a little issue going on here with the shirt. I guess this is how a shirt becomes a rag. This was a yacht I used to run in Miami years ago, and I guess it's going to be my next rag at this point. I've worn it out. Alright, instead of me blabbing on, it's time to get to work. Okay, I wanted to show you, by the way, when I dug out the trench, I didn't dig right to the string, I came close to it. So here you can see how I'm doing it. Once I get, I end up digging from the string, I end up basically just cleaning off the shelf a little, cleaning off the dirt a little here to make a shelf. back there at about 9 inches. I'm using 2x10s and 9 1/4, but I'm digging out 9 inches and then I'm fine-tuning it from there. That allows me to sit the board up on it and get it close. See? So you can see right here, this one right now is, you know, I'll end up having to, I marked a few lines there. I'm going to end up digging that out to do this shelf. So I put the little, you know, I need to put more support all behind these, but I'm just trying to get the boards up for now. Trying to get a couple more boards, but you know, this wall supported. So that's what I'm up to here. Looks like these got to come back just a little, the string here, just a little bit. Just these two. The rest of that wall looks pretty straight. But so there you go. I just wanted to show you my method, and then I'm channeling out. I'm channeling out those, because if you just try to pound the stakes right in, then this is what you end up getting. With the first couple I tried before I decided to start channeling it out.
It's 95 degrees out with the real feel 107. I don't know about real feel, but it feels real hot. Dang, it's hot, all right. So I'm putting in the supports. I've showed you a few things about them. By the way, I'm cutting them at, I don't have one to show you, but I'm cutting them at 15 degrees as they lean up against the board, and then they angle down. Putting the supports 32 inches on center, and making sure it's not only the tops lined up with the string line here, but make sure the face is level up and down too. So it's some work, it's some fine-tuning, but getting there.
Well, we've had a lot of rain. I got a little setback here. My trench and you could see, has collapsed in certain places. That side's not that bad. Oh, more rain's due as well. That side, just a little right on that corner. And I have to try to put some dirt back there and tamp it down, or the other option is going to be another $100 or $200 worth of more concrete if I just shovel the sand out. So with more rain due, it might be time to put together this video showing you where I'm at so far.
If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, take care, thank you, bye.
If you're curious, that's 4 2x10 by 12 footers in my little pickup.